Right here is the tutorial you've been waiting for. Scrunchy hairband. It's super easy. Like, this is the easiest method to make it, and it's super fast. So I'll be teaching you how to make it in few minutes. Let's go, guys. Yeah. So that's the material that you need to make a scrunchy hairband. You need a satin, any material is fine, but this is a doll face anyways. And you need a chalk to mark, you need a pin to turn, you need an elastic band, the stretch part. Then you need scissors, a tape measure, and that's it. So these are the 3 steps of cutting that we'll be doing. Just save the screenshot right now. Grab it, and that's it. So this is the first one, and it's 42 by 8 inches. So I'm cutting on fold right now. So I folded it, and I'll be marking it right now. If you want it fuller, you can make your own longer, like 50 inches, and you can also increase the length. If you want it like really tall, I can increase the height, so, and that will be fine. Yeah, we're getting there. It's step by step. So this is step 1. Like I said, you cut this, then you cut the second layer. Now we have the second layer, and I'll be cutting it 15 inches by 3 inches. So this is the third one, and for the third one, it's 8 by 3 inches. So you get it right now. This is the elastic case. These are the 3 steps that we need: step 1, 2, and 3. So for the biggest one, after I cut it, I fold it like so, and on both sides I'll be trimming it off so that I can have it not even on all sides, so that the center piece can be taller than the 2 sides. So I'll be removing 1.5. So I just removed actually 1.5 by 8 inches. Can you see now? That's 8 inches, and I'll connect it. If you don't get it now, I'll repeat it again so that you can see. I'll connect this line, and I'll cut so that the sides won't be as high as the center part. Can you see that it's slanted? So that's it, and I'm cutting it right now so you get to see it in case you don't understand, and you can as well read the write up. I think it's still explanatory, and I'm doing that on the second side. Can you see right now? Just give it a slant so that you can have the less puffy part on the side, and you have it more puffy at the center on the first layer that we cut alone. So cut it like so, 1 centimeter by 8, or you can do 1.5 by 8. It depends on your choice. So I've cut the both sides, and I'm just going to the sewing machine now to run my seam through the edge so that I can turn. I have the glossy part outside. So you run your seam like so, straight down, and that's it. So guys, I hope you've subscribed to my channel. If not, please do so right now. So you can see I have made the seam through the layers. This is the biggest one, and I have that right now. So this is the elastic case, and the smallest one we did, which is 8 by 3 inches. So you can see I'll be passing my elastic through it. You need to make it bigger than your elastic so that it can relax inside it. Yeah, so you put in your elastic. I cut elastic of 8 inches. If your head is smaller, you can use 7 inches, but for an adult, 8 inches is fine. And I pass it into his because I don't want the elastic to show. That is why I'm putting, that is why I'm putting an elastic band. It's getting more interesting, right? Everything is covered up. You want it neat. I'm all about the finishing. Yeah, so now it's in there, and I've passed it with the pin, and I've stitched it on both sides. So the next step is to pass the second piece that we cut into the first piece, that is the longest one. Please don't press, you don't need iron. Yeah, so you pass it through from one end to the other, and it will bring the big one together, and it will give you that scrunchy effect. Yeah, so if you pass it through it, this is exactly what it should look like. Then you stitch on both sides. It's inside like a lining, so it's holding two edges together, and it will bring the scrunchy effect. Can you see that? Please stitch neatly. It's giving us that effect already. Are you feeling it? Yeah, I'm feeling it already. Can you see? It's so beautiful. I'm loving it already. Yeah. So what we'll do right now is to fix the elastic band to it so that it can fit for all. Yeah, absolutely all. So you want to do that neatly. So look at the seam line and make sure that it's against each other so that it won't show on the outside. So, and turn it that way, or you overlock it, whatever rocks your boat. So let me show you. Put it together like this, make sure the lines are against each other, then place it like so. Then you overlap from the right side and the left side, and you stitch here. So when you stitch and you turn it over like what I'm about to do now, you see how neat it will look. Do you get? So you can cut the excess off. You might have excess, you cut it off, then you can use your overlocking machine to overlock it, and if you don't have it, fine, just turn. Yeah, so turn it like so, and it's neat already. I'll do exactly the same to the second side. You can see, if you want to hold it down, you can still hold it down, but to me this is fine. You can just use your hand needle to stitch it, or just leave it. It's not bad, it's neat. So I'll do exactly the same on the second side. You just want to wait and finish this video and see exactly what it looks like. So same procedure, same step, put it together and overlap the bigger one on the smaller piece, that is the elastic band. Just wrap it up like that, cut the excess, run your seam through, and turn it over, and that's it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. You know, I always bring you the easiest way. I told you at the beginning of this tutorial, and this is easy. So you have to drop comments and tell me how easy you find this. Tell me what you want me to upload next. This is it. So beautiful. Party, dinner, anywhere you want to go, you can sell it or gift someone. You could just add pearl stones, anything to yours. Make them in different colors and share with us on our Facebook community at Taylor's Hub. You can add rope to yours in case you don't have an elastic. Thanks for watching.